Hey everyone, my name is Brittany, and today I thought we could do a little catch up. A lot of people have been wondering, where have I been? What have I been up to? What have I been doing? And so I thought, let's have a little catch up. I just finished my chocolate chunk cookie recipe video, and you should see that one after this one. And so I thought, let's have a cookie, a little bit of milk, and catch up. So what have I been doing? Not too much, really a lot. I got married, and that was a lot in itself. We got married in September of 2023, and it was a wonderful, wonderful day. Lots and lots of planning though. And if you've gotten married, it's so much. It's so much, but it was a beautiful wedding day. I got married at the Cordell here in Nashville downtown, and we had a beautiful ceremony. Our photographer did an amazing job. Her and her partner did our photography as well as our videography, and we loved everything. It was gorgeous. So if you're actually looking to get married in Nashville and you need a photographer, I'll link her information down below. But she was absolutely amazing. My makeup artist was amazing. I'll link her stuff too. Absolutely amazing day. It couldn't have been more beautiful. Thankfully, I did a vision board, so everything came out exactly how I wanted. So we had our wedding day, we had our honeymoon, then we had the holidays. And then also I got a promotion at my job. I got a promotion 2 years ago actually, but it has consumed so much of my life and my time that I just didn't have the time between that and planning my wedding to get back on YouTube. But after a lot of encouragement from my cousins and the rest of my family to get back on it, I definitely decided to come back this year. So hopefully 2025, you'll see a lot more of me and a lot more recipes. But this year for 2025, I really want to make sure that I put the time in and I take the time for not only myself, but for you guys, and to just really doing what I love, which is actually baking. A lot of people don't know I actually was a pastry chef before I had my current job, which has nothing to do with baking. It is completely the furthest thing from anything culinary, but I still really, really love and enjoy baking. So that's the whole reason I started this channel, is to have a creative outlet and to share fun and joy and love with everyone else. Speaking of love and joy, something else that consumed my time last year was my Christmas cookie boxes. Towards the end of the year, I started to put out some videos, but then also I got caught up with the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Me and my sister do a Christmas bucket list every year. We do a Christmas bucket list and we do a fall bucket list. And so it's kind of like a life bucket list. You know how people do life bucket lists and they check off the things throughout their life that they really wanted to do? Well, we do that for the holidays every year. And so we pick 5 or 6 things for each season that we want to do. So like fall and Christmas, and then we check them off, as we do them, just to make sure you're maximizing your holiday joy. You got to do everything that you wanted to do through the season. So you feel like when the season's over, you did everything. There's no regret. Doing all of that and just really taking the time to prioritize the things that I would like to do or I enjoy to get back on track. And one of those things really is making these recipes for you guys. So I started to figure out some more things that I want to do, as well as put out that Christmas cookie box video. I knew that I was already going to make Christmas cookie boxes for my friends and family. So you will actually see the part 1. You should have already seen part 1 of my Christmas cookie box video. And then you will also see my part 2, where I discuss what exactly I put in my cookie boxes. You'll see that. You should have already seen that one. It's already been posted. So if you haven't seen it yet, go back and watch it. So filming that, I did 12 different cookies, which is wild for me, but it was worth it. My family really enjoyed it, and I had some really great ones in there. So we split it up between local family as well as family out of town. So we ended up doing 18 boxes. And so that was a lot. But we made it happen and we mailed them all, and it was great. So we had a really good time with that. So we had a wonderful, wonderful holiday season, and now I'm prepared for 2025, and I'm ready to post some recipes and really enjoy this experience with you guys, and I hope that you'll be here for it too. Thanks for watching.